I'm in Los Angeles right now. I'm about to try on these spicy noodles that I saw on Travel Insider. The most spicy noodles in Los Angeles. So I drove from San Diego and just chill in Los Angeles to try these spicy noodles. I'll keep you all posted and let you know how it is. So as I'm walking in LA, I came across this Japanese market in LA. Today there's an event, so it's a bike event, so everybody is riding their bike in the main streets, and that's why the reason my navigation did not take me directly to where I want to go today. However, I'm walking here and we shortly going to make it to the spicy noodles. Stay tuned. Hello all, so I made it to my destination and this area is the bomb. It's like a little Japanese town. So all you can see here are Japanese restaurants. There's shabu-shabu over there, so it's like all you can eat. And the Orochon Ramen is up over there, so we will be going there shortly. Orochon Ramen, so there's a stairway. Let's go walk around the stairway and check out everything that's in here. So this is in Los Angeles, and if you love Japanese food, come and see them here. Hi, I am back. So we made it to our final destination. They actually have an indoor and outdoor setting right there, and this is their menu. So we are going to try the most spicy noodles in Los Angeles, and I will keep you all posted. Hi, it's me again. So I just placed my order. Service are excellent. The waiting was very short. They got here as soon as I sat down, bring me some water, and asked for what I wanted. So far so good. I'll keep you all posted. So I got my order not even 3 minutes ago. It's really fast. It don't look like it's spicy. There's extra noodles that I ordered. Thank you. They're really fast. I like the service. I'm not sure how spicy this is. I did order the extreme, so I'll keep you all posted. I ordered some extra noodles for my food, and also I ordered that little thicker pork because I love some meat. And I have some spicy chicken fried rice coming soon. I'll keep you all posted. Chopsticks, check. Noodles, check. Spicy fried rice, check. Let's get started eating. Oh yes. Ooh.
No, it goes from like one is the spiciest, and then it goes down to like non-spicy.
It is spicy.
No, but I'm pretty sure it's not that spicy.
You like spicy food? Come here. Orochon Ramen in Los Angeles.